Whether you're a professional chef or having fun at home, SmartWay's digital kitchen scale is a must-have tool in your kitchen arsenal. This digital cuisine scale is the ideal choice for measuring ingredients and makes cooking that much more precise and easy. The scale is multifunctional, featuring a large weighing platform that has ample room for ingredients and a removable BPA-free bowl with a pour spout for weighing liquids. The scale produces instant readings, computing weight quickly so you can just take a brief glance and keep moving right along with culinary creations. SmartWay's kitchen scale has a stark contrast backlit display with extra large digits for easy reading. It features a 60-second auto shutoff that displays weight in grams and ounces. For a staple kitchen scale that you can rely on, trust in SmartWay's multi-purpose scale with convenient removable bowl. This scale is available in a 2 kg capacity model and a 5 kg capacity model.
The ability to cook with perfect results every time, expanding your culinary repertoire, mastering any dish or technique with joy and confidence. Introducing Heston Q. It's smart cookware with embedded temperature sensors. It's a smart induction burner that communicates with your smart cookware and an app. Not just any app, the Heston Q app with video-guided recipes and precision temperature control of the smart cookware and burner for a truly seamless cooking experience.
The great thing about this recipe is that with the control of the pan, we're able to get a nice crispy skin without it sticking.
To get started, choose from an ongoing library of hundreds of chef-tested recipes, from grilled cheese to weeknight meals to scallops. Q helps you plan for any meal or occasion. Select the number of servings, and the app then estimates cook time and lists the ingredients and equipment needed. Anyone, from beginners to seasoned cooks, will learn new skills and techniques through step-by-step video-guided instruction from Q's team of accomplished chefs.
Trying to make sure that the side muscle isn't on there. It's a very tough dish.
As you cook on the Q, the smart cookware, smart induction burner, and recipe app work together to automatically control the pan temperature and timing of each recipe step. The app will tell you when to put your ingredients in the pan, when to flip them, and when to take them out. Goodbye guesswork. Q's additional features let you customize the cooking experience, personalize the dish using the mix and match feature, or use control mode to cook without a recipe at the ideal temperature using our integrated temperature guide. For stress-free proteins, just tell the app what you're cooking, the thickness and your desired doneness, and the app will calculate the cook time and temperature precisely. Done, but not overdone. Here's to finding joy in the cooking and the sharing of food. Here's to savoring each step, from prep to plate. Connected cookware with precision temperature control, video-guided recipes, remarkable results. Heston Q. Learn more at HestonQ.com.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. And this is the Cuisinart Thermoelectric Yogurt Maker. A lot of people are eating yogurt for not just breakfast, but for snacks and even sometimes for dinner. So simple and easy to make yogurt. I'm going to show you how to do it, but first I'm going to show you all about the machine. This is your lid, and inside there is a container, which is completely removable, which also has an integrated lid. And this is great when your yogurt's done because you don't need to transfer it into something else. You can take this and bring it right to your refrigerator. And what happens with this yogurt maker is it goes through several phases. First, you're going to mix some ingredients together. You're going to put it in the machine, and first it's going to ferment the yogurt. And then when it's done fermenting, what's going to happen is it's going to switch to a cool feature. And then it'll stay on the cool feature until you turn the machine off. I'm going to turn it on by hitting the start button. And what's going to happen is it's on a standard setting for 8, and you can actually ferment for up to 24 hours. And it'll flash until you start the machine. And what'll happen is it'll count down from that 8 hours, and when the 8 hours is up, it'll automatically switch to cool. And when it does that, this will have a C in that display. But how you can adjust the ferment time is either by pressing the minus button, and you see how it went to cool, and then it will go 1 all the way up to 24. If you hold your finger on it, it'll advance automatically. And you'll see how that goes to 24. So I'm going to hit stop just so it resets itself, and you just hold your finger on it for about 3 seconds and it'll shut off. I'm going to put it on start, and I'm going to actually put it on 8 hours because that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to show you how to put the mixture together to make yogurt from scratch. So first what we're going to do is we're going to add the milk. And it's important to thoroughly mix these ingredients together at the very beginning because it'll help give you a much better result at the end. This happens to be plain whole milk yogurt. And this is what's called your starter. And we have about 6 ounces of that. And you really need the starter because that's what's going to help you start the fermentation process. And what you're going to do is use a whisk, and you're just going to break this up really easily and just whisk this very, very thoroughly until it's completely incorporated. The great thing about yogurt is that it's really healthy for you. I like the fact that you get to make it yourself. This yogurt machine is capable of making 50 ounces. Just going to take the lid off. You can do this outside the machine if you prefer. I'm just going to pour this in. You see how smooth and broken up that yogurt was to get it started. And I started to say that this container is 50 ounces, but just so you know that when you're done, you'll have more than 6 8-ounce servings of yogurt. So all we do is put the lid on, like I mentioned, put the top on, and we're going to hit the start button. It's on, like I said, 8 hours. When it's done going through the fermentation process, it will switch to cool. Like I mentioned, the C will be in the display, and then it'll stay on cool until you either turn it off or unplug it. And then all you do is at the end, remove the container, and you can enjoy your yogurt right then. Or what you can do is store it in the refrigerator, say for breakfast the next day. It's so easy to make healthy homemade yogurt. While you're at work, your yogurt maker's working for you. When you come home, it's going to have a beautiful, consistent yogurt that's healthy for you and your family.
Welcome to Joule, Sous Vide by Chef Steps. Let's get cooking. You'll need Joule, a smartphone or tablet, and a pot. The one you use to cook pasta works great. Your Joule has a magnetic foot, a water inlet, a water outlet, an LED light, and a button on top. Let's set up your Joule. Start by adding some water to your pot. Don't forget to protect your work surface with a trivet or a cutting board. Add Joule to the pot and plug it in. Do you have enough water? As a rule, you want the water to fully cover your food, plus a little extra. And if you're cooking something small, like a single salmon fillet, you can use as little as 1.5 inches of water. There are 3 ways to attach Joule. If you have a magnetic pot, simply place Joule in the pot, and the powerful magnetic foot will keep Joule upright and secure throughout the cook. No magnetic pot? Not to worry. Simply attach Joule to the side of your pot using the side clip. You control Joule with a custom app. Start by downloading the app on your Android or iOS device. Joule works with both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Start by connecting Joule to your Chef Steps account. If you don't have an account, you can set one up now. The first time you open the app, you'll get directions on how to pair with Joule. Just follow the prompts on screen. Don't forget to name your Joule. The last step is to add your Wi-Fi network. Adding your Joule to Wi-Fi will let you control it and check the cooking progress from anywhere. It's also a way to receive firmware updates that will make Joule better over time. If you're not connected to Wi-Fi, don't stress it. Just choose the Bluetooth option in the setup process. Bluetooth connection works just like Wi-Fi. You just need to stay in range to keep controlling Joule. The Joule app offers 2 ways to cook. If you know the temperature you would like, use the manual cooking screen to enter that number in Celsius or Fahrenheit. If you're looking for some inspiration, there's guided cooking. With guided cooking, you can use one of the app's 100+ step-by-step cooking guides. Search or browse by category. Each guide includes visual doneness videos, which show you exactly how food will turn out before you even start cooking. Just pick the one that looks best. The app will ask you a few questions about your food so that Joule can calculate the perfect cooking time. That's it! Joule will begin heating the water and you're ready to cook something delicious. When you're done, you'll notice there are fewer dishes than usual, so cleanup is a breeze. And Joule easily fits in a drawer until you're ready to cook again. All set for your first cook with Joule? We suggest one of the Get Started guides in the app, which demonstrate the basics of cooking different kinds of meat and fish. These guides will give you the foundation to cook any dish with Joule. If you have any trouble at all, please contact our support team at chefsteps.com. Want to cook a steak with Joule right now? Check out our video on how to cook a basic steak.
We've all been there. We go out and buy a kitchen utensil, come back, use it, and suddenly wonder, where on earth do I store this? Our Armadillo colander is specially designed to collapse inwards and go to 10% of its original size.
Hi, my name is Ron. I've been an inventor and a designer for Speedo, Dyson and now Samsung Electronics. The Armadillo colander has been in the making for the last 10 years. Although this product looks pretty simple, it takes accuracies of down to the 10th of a millimeter to really make it work. And I had to pull all of my design skills in order to pull this off.
Hi, my name's Fred and I'm the second half of the Armadillo team. Our product has a number of great uses, whether using it in the home, within the kitchen, or perhaps taking it with you to a picnic in the great outdoors, or maybe even something a little bit more extreme, such as camping, hiking. Thanks to its unique and easily storable size, it's a great item that can come with you wherever you go. I was in a restaurant with my friend and I wanted to see what he thought of the product. And actually a lady on my left leant over and she asked me, "What is that?" And when I revealed the product, she was absolutely blown away.
This design is patent pending. We've done that to protect it. Cool inventions are always worth protecting.
For us at Armadillo, we're trying our best to get into a market governed by very large players, and if it weren't for platforms such as Kickstarter, this would be an insurmountable task.
We came to Kickstarter because there's no better place to offer such a unique product. Kickstarter is the best way to give a special crowd an opportunity to get involved at an early stage.
So, fellow Kickstarters, you've seen our product, heard our story, and met the brains behind our operation. All that's left to ask is for your backing. Check the rewards on our page, including our limited edition Kickstarter prize. Well, thanks for watching, and on behalf of all the team, we really appreciate your pledge.
This is Trivet, the perfect accessory for any kitchen. Trivet is a one-of-a-kind lid holder and dual trivet all in one. It's easy to use, minimizes clutter, and is heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Better still, it helps to minimize burns, the spread of germs, and damage to surfaces while cooking. Trivet is made of durable cast metal and non-slip silicone pads that combine in an ergonomically sleek and modern design. Simply click Trivet into one of 3 set positions. The Z shape is perfect for holding hot lids of any size while cooking or presenting finished dishes in a unique and eye-catching way. Easily close Trivet to use as a classical trivet. This position also allows for compact storage anywhere. Expand Trivet for larger casseroles or for displaying multiple dishes. Weighing less than 2 pounds, Trivet is still incredibly strong and durable, holding any dish up to 10 pounds.
We spent a lot of time thinking through every detail of this product, considering different materials and various models that we could use before arriving at this final design. For example, in the fully open position, the spine is shaped to arch away from dishes and minimize contact with hot surfaces. The Z shape not only supports lids of all shapes and sizes, but also easily accommodates any user's hand with any type of lid handle. The buttons on the spine control the rotation of the rings between functions, and they're smooth and easy to operate. The bottom of each ring is lined with small rubber pads, which prevents Trivet from sliding. Ultimately, this is a product that is very reliable, it's easy to use, and it has an intuitive design.
Besides being functional, we wanted Trivet to have a beautiful aesthetic with strong but graceful curves, for it to be durable but not be bulky. We ultimately opted for an asymmetric design that combined all of those factors to create a sleek and modern look. Trivet is perfect for use when cooking in your kitchen and serving at the dinner table. Whether it's a formal dinner party or a casual barbecue, it's appealing in a variety of settings. It works great for chefs in professional kitchens. And it's also perfect for catering or in a restaurant setting for elevating dishes like a pizza. Because this product is so versatile, we're still coming up with new uses for it.